Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a hawk. I will be using a carbon pencil for this drawing. I wrote the exact one in the list of materials in the description below the video. We can start sketching the head, the neck and the general shape of the body, which is like this, and let's add a wing over here and the other one over here. Of course this falcon is standing. The legs, the hooked beak and the eye. It is important to get right the main feature or characteristic of the thing, animal or person that you are drawing. And with hawks or falcons or eagles, the beak is so characteristic. I think the beak and then the eye. That is how you recognize them immediately. Their beak of course is hooked and the eyes are round and large, and usually the upper part is hidden under the brow bone, which makes them look very aggressive. We start shading and drawing some of the feather texture with short strokes. It looks way too fat, so I reduce it a bit. That's better. On the back it has darker feathers that we can draw like this. I'm shading and doing some of the texture at the same time. I have been using a 2B carbon pencil for this, which is soft but not too much, and now I switch to a softer one, a 4B, for the darker tones. As you see, I'm doing this pretty sketchy, that is rapidly. This is a red-tailed hawk. They have a light chest with darker spots. And the back is also dark, as we mentioned earlier. Let's go over these lines a little bit darker to then shade them. Like so. This bird will be standing on the ground. So let's also draw some of the grass. Like so. Good. Let's darken this area down here and then define some of the feathers a little bit more. I will not draw every feather, but if you just sketch a few, you will give the idea pretty good. As you probably know by now, hawks, falcons and eagles are my favorite animals. Please let me know which one is yours and which one would you like me to draw. Let's add some more feathers and some more grass, and we give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find out tips. You know where to follow me, the links are below. And I will see you on Tuesday.